Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today you guys, I am super excited and I am super proud of me because I made sushi again today. I'm not the best at rolling sushi, you guys, but nonetheless, normally it tastes good. I have today some Alaskan king crab California rolls. I took some king crab, rolled it up with some avocado and cucumber. I have some regular rolls here. The seaweed on the outside roll. I have the seaweed on the inside roll, or the rice on the outside roll, and I have a couple hand rolls here. I have back here some soy sauce and wasabi. I have some unagi sauce, and I have some ginger. I'm gonna move the ginger right here, you guys, because you know I love ginger. To drink, you guys, I have a strawberry carbonated drink and a strawberry, I think this is just a strawberry essence sparkling water. What are you guys eating with me today? Hopefully it is something yummy and delicious. I'm just gonna mix up my wasabi and soy sauce. I hope I put enough wasabi in here. If not, I'm gonna steal it because I have a couple little dollops. I tried to do a video, you guys, of how I rolled these sushi rolls, but I am no sushi chef. I have all the equipment and tools that I need. It's just my rolls don't quite, I think I overstuff my rolls is what I think I do. I think I overstuff. Okay, let me try. I'm gonna try this one. Hi, can you guys see that? I'm gonna move these crab legs in 1 minute. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. You guys, that is really good with the king crab. Mm. Mm. That is really good. I am proud of me. I'm gonna try some of the unagi sauce. Mm-mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Okay. Your girl is doing something over here. Here, let me give you a bite. Mm. Mm. Guys. Mm. Try it with the king crab. It's so good. Mm. For all of this, you guys, I only used one leg. One leg. I was thinking of pulling out 2 legs, but mm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Cupcake was eating her dinner. this one? That is one. That's a big one. Mmm. You guys. Next time, I think I'm gonna. Well, I wanted to do this and some tempura rolls, but I couldn't find any tempura. Mm. Mm. Mm-mm. Fine. Shell. Ooh. That is so good. Hold on, you guys. It's stuck on marble. Salute. Oops. Salute. Yum. So guys, do me a favor. Thumbs up this video. Comment down below. And subscribe if you haven't already done so. On the side of the subscription button is a notification bell. Hit the bell to be notified every time I upload a video. This one is full of crab. Let me turn it around so you can see it. I don't think I got any avocado in this piece here. That's okay. I'm not gonna complain. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. It's so good, y'all. California king crab has avocados, cucumber, sushi rice. I put some of the toppings, rice toppings, which is normally seaweed and sesame. Sprinkle some of that on these rolls here and some on the hand rolls. Mm, mm. Mm. I also have here, you guys, some spicy sauce. I might put them on some of the rolls. I like this one. The shape ain't so great. Mm. I hope you're all doing okay. Mm. Besides these rolls being imperfect in shape, the flavor is on point. Oh man. Come on now. Aw. Mm, mm, mm. Ooh, this is delicious. Can't believe I'm drinking so much. Here we go. Here we go. That's a decent roll. A little bit of soy wasabi. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna try these hand rolls. You guys, I typically do not buy hand rolls. Even these were kind of a challenge to roll. You would think it's super simple, but just to get them closed. I feel like I overstuffed mine. That's why they won't close. Here. That looks so good. Oh, and I want, I'll put a little bit of this unagi sauce on it. Look at that. Mm-mm. Mm. I thought I had picked through the crab. Not so great. Guess not, huh? Well, I thought I did it great, but not so great. Mm. That's good. Let me do that again. And you know what I did, you guys? I stuffed it down to the bottom. Can you see that? Because I don't like that the hand rolls, all the good stuff is on top. There's nothing but rice at the bottom. I don't like that. So I stuffed mine too. Let me see if I can get a little bit of this sauce. Okay. See? Mmm. 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 You guys, I'm getting full. Mmm. 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 That last bite was full of crab meat. I'm gonna take a couple more bites. I'm gonna wrap up because I'm soda's it's getting me full. Look at this one, full of yummy goodness. Can you see? Mm, mm, mm. Mm. This is so good. I have to save some. Save some for the Fam Bam. Because they actually do want to try this. So, ooh. Let me wrap up. Mm. All right, guys. Again, do me a favor. Thumbs up this video. Comment down below. Subscribe if you haven't already done so. On the side of the subscription button is the notification bell. Hit the bell to be notified every time that I upload a video. Look at my hair, you guys. Sorry, it's cut off. I have a little poo-poo ball. Feel free to share my videos with your friends, your family, your coworkers, your neighbors, anyone that you feel should be checking out all this yummy goodness on MikoYumYum's channel. You can also share my videos on your social media platform if you choose to do so. I do ask that you tag me to let me know that you're going to share my videos. And in order to tag me, you probably should be following me. And you can follow me on Instagram, Twitter, Snapchat, and Facebook. And TikTok. All under the name MikoYumYum. I'm not sure if I'll have the TikTok information up here. Maybe. It's MikoYumYum. Yeah. Welcome to my new subscribers. Hi, guys. Welcome to the channel. Welcome to the Fam Bam. I hope that you're enjoying this content. If there's anything that you would like to see me eat, just put it in the description box down below, and I will try my hardest to make that happen for you. You can also check out my playlist. There's a whole bunch of videos over there that have so much yummy goodness going on. To my day ones and loyal viewers, thank you for the love, the support, the shares, the feedback, the comments. Thank you. I love you guys and I appreciate you guys. Sorry, I have a very anxious dog over here waiting for her treat. She already ate her dinner, so typically after dinner she gets a treat. So that's what she's down here doing, letting me know that she's done. Yeah, let me go ahead and go because I think that's the end of the outro. Excuse me. Once again, you guys, Alaskan king crab California rolls. Amazing. Really, really good. Just the flavor is so different from regular California rolls because typically they use snow crab for that. This is just so good with the hot avocados, the creaminess of the avocados and the crunchy and crisp of the cucumber. Oh, this is so delicious. I'm going to wrap it up though, so the family can eat it later. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. Come back. Join me for some more good food. I kind of have an idea of what the next... Oh, I never used this. Okay, let me do one bite, y'all. Just one. Yeah, I'll do this one. I see people use this all the time. And I don't know, does it ruin the flavor of the sushi? Does it, you know, we'll see. I bought this one in the, I have a couple of these and I bought the pink one too. Oh, shoot. That might be too much. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm-mm. That's a no. Mm-mm. Mm. Mm. This is good, you guys. Sweet though. Oh no. Mm-mm. Oh, let me go, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye.